Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Boom 3 speakers, which is a portable Bluetooth speaker. So which is available in the Amazon for about 10,999 as you can see here. So which has got very good ratings, and so that I thought of ordering this kind of Bluetooth speaker. So let's see in the package what are the contents we do get, and later on I'll try to test this Bluetooth speaker and I'll be updating you regarding the sound quality and the battery life of the speakers. So as a basic thing about this Bluetooth speaker is that it's a waterproof and drop proof as well, as you can see here, which has 15 hours of the battery backup capacity, and where there are also buttons present on the top side of the speaker. So right now let me try to unbox the Bluetooth speaker. And in case if you're watching this channel for the first time, make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description as well for more gadget unboxing. As you can see friends, this is how it looks. The box packing is very good. So overall this is a black speaker which I have ordered. So it is kind of very portable device as well, as you can see here. So this much is the Bluetooth speaker, and if I compare to the side to the phone screen size, you can see how much the size of the Bluetooth speaker it is. It's kind of close to the phone only, as you can see. It's not too big and too small. So in the future I'll be trying to test the sound quality of this Bluetooth speaker. So make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description for playlist of other smartphones as well. So let me try to even show you what are the box contents it does get here. So there is only one USB cable, so which is a micro USB, not the type C one. So this is another disappointment for most of the users, which is the micro USB cable, as you can see here. So which is not the type C. So really I did require the type C cable, because nowadays we are seeing all the gadgets with a type C only. So it will be a universal cable where you can use the phone charger to charge the Bluetooth speaker as well. But these are overall box contents, and there's only just a cable and a small warranty slip, I think so. So these are overall the Bluetooth speaker out. This is how it looks. So let me try to peel off all this kind of plastic. So which is really good friends, the quality is really amazing on this Bluetooth speaker, so which is really good. And we does have the, I think, buttons over there where you can change. So volume plus and minus as well, you can decrease and increase, and there is also strip to hold the Bluetooth speaker. So this, I think there is a tripod stand, I think so. So I'm not sure. This only charge when clean, and there is a small micro USB port as well, which is covered very tightly for the waterproof thing going on with the Bluetooth speaker. So this is how it looks friends, the overall build quality and the what box content it does get. And in the future I'll be trying to update the
Ultimate Ears Boom app to experience all of the features of your speaker.
I think this is a 3D speakers going on, 3D surrounding speaker, which is really good for the amazing sound effects you do get in this kind of small pocket sized Bluetooth speakers. And for more this kind of videos, make sure to follow me regularly, and thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.